Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Unraveling First Solar's political ties, Amazon's new discount shopping strategy, and the rising cannabis hospitalizations in the U.S. plus Micron's market performance, Intel's AI innovation, S&P 500 analysis by Goldman Sachs, and NVIDIA's massive market cap drop. Lastly, Altria steps into nicotine pouches market. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. First Solar, a significant entity in the solar sector, is being closely examined due to its political affiliations. It's reported that this company made donations amounting to $2 million to the Democrats and expended $2.8 million lobbying the Biden administration in 2020. Although there are no legal infringements, detractors proposed that these maneuvers could potentially earn First Solar as much as $10 billion from subsidies provided by the Inflation Reduction Act.
Amazon is set to rival platforms such as Temu and Shein by establishing a shopping segment that connects consumers to more affordable products stored in Chinese warehouses. The digital catalog will showcase generic goods shipped straight from China, with a delivery timeframe of 9 to 11 days. It's anticipated that this budget-friendly shopping area will commence inventory acceptance come fall.
With the legalization of recreational marijuana in an increasing number of U.S. states, there has been a reported surge in hospital admissions due to cannabis use disorders and associated mental health problems. This is especially prevalent among young adults, according to the United Nations. The World Drug Report of 2024 further emphasizes a rise in detrimental usage and a variety of products containing high levels of THC. While there hasn't been an uptick in adolescent smoking, regular vaping of cannabis is on the rise within this demographic.
Micron Technology experienced a 6.5% drop in shares after hours, despite posting a robust Q3 report. The company saw an impressive 82% year-on-year revenue surge, reaching $6.81 billion, and reported adjusted earnings of 62 cents per share, surpassing estimates. This growth is attributed to the demand for AI, which contributed to half of its sequential revenue increase in data centers. Looking forward into the next quarter, Micron predicts adjusted earnings ranging from $1 to $1.16 per share and anticipates revenue around the ballpark of $7.6 billion.
Intel has introduced the first fully integrated optical compute interconnect chiplet in the chip industry, referred to as OCI. This groundbreaking innovation, which is co-packaged with an Intel CPU, can support 64 channels of data transmission at high speeds while consuming low power. It marks a substantial advancement for artificial intelligence workloads and data center infrastructure. However, despite this significant breakthrough, there was a slight drop in Intel shares during late trading.
Scott Rubner, an analyst at Goldman Sachs, emphasizes the structure of the S&P 500. It requires an increase in either the top 5 stocks or the remaining 495 for growth. For each dollar invested, 28 cents are allocated to leading companies such as Microsoft and Apple. This pattern is also observed in NASDAQ and semiconductor ETFs. In other news, Granite Shares' NVDA-focused ETF experienced record inflows last week and has seen a growth of over 364% this year.
The market capitalization of NVIDIA has seen a decrease by $429 billion within a span of 3 days, even though there's been an increase of 149.36% since the start of this year. Over the previous 5 days, the stock of this tech behemoth has shed 3.11% and approximately 2% from just yesterday, as per the flow of funds note released by Goldman Sachs.
Altria Group has filed pre-market tobacco product applications with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration for its spit-free, oral nicotine pouch product named On Plus. This application was submitted by Altria's subsidiary, Helix Innovations. The product is specifically designed for adult smokers and dippers.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and remember, every day is a new opportunity for success. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.